Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Admi- every handmade decoration carries a special meaning. It is not only about decorating a room, it is about filling your home with comfort, peace and joyful moments. A small burlap bow on a Christmas tree, a handmade wreath on the front door, or a simple jute ornament can make your home feel more welcoming. These little details remind us that beauty comes from love and creativity, not from expensive decoration. Burlap and jute are perfect for people who love material, natural, and farmhouse style Christmas decor, and their soft texture and warm colors look beautiful with green Christmas trees, red berries, wine candles, wooden signs, and twinkling fairy lights. It's amazing, outstanding, very amazing burlap craft ideas. One wonderful thing about DIY decoration is that everyone can enjoy making them. You don't need to be an expert. Just take your time, enjoy the creative process, and let your imagination guide you. Every handmade piece will be different, and that is what makes it unique. Even the simplest decoration can become your favorite because it is made by your own hands. I hope these jute and burlap craft decoration ideas give you new inspiration for your holiday decorating. Thank you once again for being here and supporting my channel. Your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions mean so much to me and help this channel grow every single day. Stay creative, keep spreading love and happiness. And I will see you in the next video with more beautiful Christmas DIY and amazing different ideas. Christmas is more than light and decoration. It is a season of hope, kindness, and sharing happiness with the people we love. When we create something by hand, we also create beautiful memories. Every ribbon you tie, every piece of burlap you fold, and every ornament you finish becomes a small reminder of the love and care you put into. You can decorate your dining table, fireplace, front porch, windows, shelves, or even a small corner of your room with these simple jute and burlap craft. Add a few pine cones, wooden stars, tiny bells, cotton steam, or warm fairy lights to complete the rustic Christmas look. These decorations are timeless, elegant, and easy to match with any holiday theme. If you are looking for affordable Christmas decorating ideas, jute and burlap are wonderful choices. They are simple, stylish, and easy to use for beginners. You can reuse many of these decorations every year, making them a smart and eco-friendly option. Handmade decorations are never out of style because they always carry a personal touch. It's amazing, different, outstanding, and very creative burlap craft ideas. And every outstanding collection is amazing. They bring happiness, show love, and help people feel closer to each other. Every ribbon, every piece of burlap, and every little decoration make a home feel warm or full of joy. Today I am excited to share some amazing jute and burlap Christmas decoration ideas that are easy, creative, and perfect for the holiday season. Jute and burlap are simple, natural, and beautiful materials. You can use them to make lovely Christmas wreaths, gift bows, table decorations, candle holders, Christmas trees, ornaments, and rustic wall decor. Their soft colors match almost every Christmas style. These DIY ideas are affordable, beginners friendly, and wonderful way to decorate your home with love and creativity. Making this decoration is also a great family activity. You can enjoy crafting with your children, friends, or loved ones while creating happy memories together. Handmade decorations are always special because they are made with care, love, and happiness. They also make thoughtful gifts that can bring a smile to someone's face during the Christmas season. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. I truly appreciate your love and support. If you enjoyed these people and this beautiful jute and birthday decoration ideas, so please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more easy DIY crafts inspiration every day. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching my videos, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And please don't share my video. Please don't forget to share my videos, like my videos, and give a feedback. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Assalamualaikum.